Yeah, dog. That's good. That's hers.
Go.
Ooh, there's a nail laying in front of that son of a bitch. It's a tire getter. Hello, YouTube. This is a drag racing channel, but I do a lot of auto mechanicing. And old lady's car, she's done drove her wore slap out, wheel bearings down in it. So I'm doing the how-tos. If you don't want to watch this, find a race video on the channel. This is how to do a wheel bearing on a 2005 to 2014 Mustang. Step 1, take your wheel off. If you do not know how to do this, take this subbitch to a shop. You don't need to go any further. Don't bring it to my shop. I don't want to do it. That's the first time this wheel's ever come off this car and not been a pain in the ass. Lay it to where it won't get hurt. Easy.
I ain't got the muscles to do it easy.
You don't have to get down, Murray.
There she goes.
Yeah.
She dirty.
Need to wash this thing.
It's getting a good wash and wax after this is done, because I want to drive it.
Should have probably turned the wheels on this, made it easier on them.
Dang, those are orange.
Coney. Alright, next thing, you get the brake caliper off this dude. This is just like about any other wheel bearing, but you're doing it with us today. Hell yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
So excited!
Of course, it's one of them damn European jobs. It's metric. Pretty sure, yeah. A half is too small, and at 13 it's too loose. How the fuck does that work out? Because it wasn't a half, that's why. Okay, it's American. It's a Mustang. It's American. Where's me half? Where's me half?
And you probably just rounded them off.
No. We're gonna make it look like we know what we're doing here. Next, pull your caliper off. Pretty easy job. It'd be best if you got a prize bar, but I got them hands. Yeah, your pads look good. You got good pads.
Okay.
And rotor. Now I do need some probably. The first thing you need for this job is some tools. Probably gonna need some stuff to hit it with too. Right here.
You about lost your mind. If you have, I'll help you find it.
You haven't found it.
Hey, give her a spin. I want to hear it.
Alright, so to show you all how bad she's ran this car with a wheel bearing like this. I don't know if you can hear that well, but it's pretty turn freely, but it is roaring.
I don't drive it that much.
Nah, she didn't. It just, hell, she's had this car for 5-6 years. We ain't had to hardly do nothing to it. So.
Just tires and a steering rack.
Wait a minute. See this shit right here? It's me in that station wagon. You ready for it? And then
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother.
Oh yeah. Alright. Good job.
Enough playing, horse assing around, get busy.
Horse ass. Man, you act like you my boss or something. I ain't got no boss. This is vertical interprocesses. Oh.
Hey, it even has a little Ford on it.
That's why it's broke down.
That's why it's broke down. Shut up.
Where's my hammer at?
Your hammer? The one that's like right beside of you?
That's the big hammer. That's when shit get
It's the
through.
BFH.
That is the BFH. I'm about to have to YouTube how to do this as I make a YouTube video. I'm just kidding.
He's not kidding.
See, if you're having any trouble getting your rotor off right now, we'll get you a torch, a rubber hammer. Can't wait to put that little Fox blade together and bust through all this in this thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oops.
Bird.
God, dog.
You just ain't got enough ass.
You want the hammer?
No, you look like you hitting it like a sissy.
Oh, so you see, does this look like I'm remember on Joe Dirt? You like what'd he say? What'd he say on Joe Dirt? I should know.
Yeah, you did play in a movie.
Yeah, that's what that is.
Hey, you're letting it cool down.
Shit. God, dogs, huh?
Hey.
Ain't no different. I'm hoping it'll expand and break that crud loose.
Heat usually shrinks.
Heat expands.
Not whenever
you
you
freeze
heat
them
up
to
a water bottle. It shrinks it.
It's plastic. You see any damn plastic rotors on this thing?
I'm trying to make it
When
mad
that
so
metal
he'll
gets
get
hot,
it off quicker.
It expands. It's like when you lay
I
your
don't
ass,
think you know what you're talking about.
It's like when you lay your ass in the bed, you get all warm and cozy, you stretch out.
I don't think that's how
Then
it
you don't get
works.
back up. Just lay it all
I
day.
think you need to quit hitting that like a little sissy boy and get it off there.
Not me sitting here.
See, this is reverse psychology. I'm trying to
contemplating
get you
mine.
mad and worked up so you can get it off
You
there.
could say thank you. Honey.
Yeah, thank you, honey. But I'm saving that for the end. But see, I'm using that reverse psychology. If I make you mad, it'll make you put more ass into hitting that off there. You see what I'm doing?
I'm about to burn you.
It's working.
No. It's making me think I put this wheel back on there and she takes somebody else.
Okay.
That'll charge her.
Excuse me. Hitting it the wrong freaking way.
Oh, god damn, that's hot. Burnt a hole in my jeans. I'm about to go buy you a new rotor.
Hey, I see it budging. Every time you hit it, it's budging.
There we go. That rubber hammer didn't have enough shit to it. Forget this. Get these. Now that's a hammer. Remember on Crocodile Dundee? He said, now that's a knife.
How's my rotor?
But we're going to have to get that.
Is it hot?
It's rather lukewarm for sure. Oh, hell no, it's hot.
How if you's only
Hey,
putting the
look here.
heat right there?
This is from a slave center on the truck. How was it got so hot? It's a piece of metal. It went up it.
Huh. Nice.
I didn't hurt that. I did.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's good to go.
yeah, you better be glad you didn't.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I hit it right on the edges. You can see I hit it there.
Oh, so you can see where you hit it, but you didn't hurt it.
Yes, it'll be fine. You'll buy you some rotors in while we're at it.
I ain't got no
So
job.
you get you do that.
I'm kidding.
So we got that off. Next, you need to pull your dust cover, your grease cover. Oh, god damn, that's on. You pull that off. I'm gonna let it cool down so you can.
Mm-hmm.
Where my chinny locks?
Your chinny locks.
My chinny locks.
Come on, muscle mommy.
What the fuck? Let me done curse on you. Hey, no wonder. Look how rusty it is. Rusty. It's 36 millimeter, whatever that is in American. Probably inch and something. Hopefully it breaks loose. So this one's pretty rusty. It don't want to come loose, so I had to do it that way rather than that damn impact. Now we can impact it off. That's what kills wheel bearings too, rust and junk. Look there. The battery's dead. Which is on there. Alright. Remember to charge your batteries on your impact if you use one. Oh, that's rusted. This is real rusted, so you gotta beat it off. Hopefully yours ain't the same way when you're doing it, but let's get in here. Get greasy with it.
Nice.
Look how bad off that is. Hey, look at that. It's destroyed inside.
Good Lord and mercy.
Yeah.
Nice. Now, with the old and the news over there on the hood of the wagon. Nice.
Where's that Panther piece? Get rust off of it.
Action.
So basically, you're just going backwards, repeating the process. I got lucky enough to get my brake caliper back on without having to use this. You shouldn't have to if you just pull the main deal off. But if you're changing brakes as well, brake pads, then you're gonna need that brake pad spreader.
You want to grease my rotors so it gets the rust off?
Yeah, I will. All four of them.
It's a joke.
I ain't joking.
Oh. Write this down.
Right this down. What the hell did I do with the socket?
It's right behind you, silly boy. You gonna turn the wheel? You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, wheel buddy. You got this. Alright, now.
Now you put your wheel back on, folks. Yeah. Cut.
Well, make sure you don't put the lug nuts on in a perfect circle. They gotta go diagonal. I'm just saying.
Whoever's watching is gonna think that poor fella has to take care of her. He probably has to wipe her ass.
Okay. Just edit this out. Don't even put it in here.
No, you done screwed up now. You ain't wrong.
I'll delete the whole video.
No doubt. Don't do me out here trying to make a living.
Oh my gosh.
What the? It ain't dirty. It's got a bird pooped on it. fall off, so success. So, all good?
Yeah, she's smooth.
Okay. You got cat's blood on there.
Yeah. But hold on. Oh man, it's in the G8.
What is it?
My other cat one. He's wearing a cowboy hat.
What'd you find?
My cat. Air freshener. They're sold out of these and I had to have somebody make it. I even emailed them.
Alright folks, that's it. That's how you change the wheel bearing in an 05 14 Mustang. It applies to most cars with that type of spindle. Until next time, this is your half-assed auto mechanics.